Hello, dear students. This is Teacher Dawn. How are you this afternoon? I hope everybody is doing great. Okay, for this afternoon, we're going to have a review. Okay, the first review that we're going to have is the short vowel sound for letter E. Everybody, E, E, E. And what is the sound? Eh, eh, eh. But before that, we're gonna have short conversation about what's that. Okay, and you're gonna answer. Okay, what is your answer? Yes, it is, and no, it isn't. Okay, let's practice. Okay, are you ready? Okay, my first question. What's that? It's a pink lamp. Okay, repeat after me. It's a pink lamp. Okay. Is that a brown door? Yes, it is. Is that a black pillow? No, it isn't. It's a white pillow. Okay, that's wonderful, dear students. Now, let's go to short vowel sound with the letter E. And what is the sound? Eh. Okay, now let's go first with the vocabulary. You're gonna guess what vocabulary it is. Okay, I will show you the picture. Are you ready? Okay, the first picture is, what picture is this? Is this number 10? No. Is this egg? No. Is this a vet? No. Is this a web? Yes, it is. Everybody, it's a web. Everybody, it's a web. Okay, that's wonderful, dear students. Okay, let's go with the picture number 2. What is the picture number 2? Okay, is this a vet? No. Is this an egg? No. Is this a web? No. Is this number 10? Yes. Okay, repeat after teacher. It's number 10. Everybody, it's number 10. Okay, now let's go with the third picture. Third picture, what is this? What picture is this? Is this a web? No. Is this a vet? No. Is this number 10? No. Is this an egg? Yes. Okay, repeat after teacher. It's an egg, everybody. It's an egg. Okay, let's go with the fourth picture. Okay, now, is this number 10? No. Is this an egg? No. Is this a web? No. Is this a vet? Yes. Okay, repeat after teacher. You say, it's a vet, everybody. It's a vet. Okay, that's wonderful, dear students. That's actually excellent. Okay, now let's go with the chanting. Okay, everybody, let's go with the chanting. Repeat after teacher. Okay, the vet has 10 big eggs. Everybody, the vet has 10 big eggs. Okay, again, the vet has 10 big eggs. One more. The vet has 10 big eggs. Okay, that's awesome, dear students. Thank you for your time. Hello, dear students. Thank you for waiting. Thank you for your patience. Okay, now let's continue with our review, okay? Our review now is the short vowel sound for at. Everybody, at. Okay, everybody, at. Okay, now let's go with the vocabulary. Okay, you're gonna guess what are the pictures that I'm going to show you. Okay, are you ready? Okay, what is the first picture? Okay, what picture is this? Is this a pet? No. Is this a net? No. Is this wet? No. Is this jet? Yes. It's a jet, everybody. It's a jet, everybody. It's a jet. That's awesome. Okay, what we are going to the next picture. What is the next picture we have? Is this a pet? No. Is this a net? No. Is this a jet? No. Is this wet? Yes. Okay, everybody, it's wet. Everybody, it's wet. Everybody, it's wet. That's awesome. Okay, let's go with the third picture. What is the third picture? Is this a pet? No. Is this wet? No. Is this a jet? No. Is this a net? Yes. Everybody, it's a net. Everybody, it's a net. Everybody, it's a net. Very excellent. Okay, let's go with the fourth one. Fourth picture. What is the fourth picture? Okay, the fourth picture is this a jet? No. Is this wet? No. Is this net? No. Is this a pet? Yes. Okay, everybody. It's a pet, everybody. It's a pet, everybody. It's a pet. That's wonderful, dear students. Now, let's go with the blending sound. Are you ready for the blending sound? Okay, repeat after teacher, okay? Ja, at, jet, everybody. Ja, at, jet. Ja, at, jet. Okay, the second is na, at, net. Na, at, net. Na, at, net. Okay, the third one, wa, at, wet. Wa, at, wet. Wa, at, wet. Wonderful. Okay, the last one, pa, at, pet. Pa, at, pet. Pa, at, pet. Excellent. Okay, now let's go to chanting. Okay, repeat after teacher. Are you ready for chanting? Let's do it. Okay, let's do it slowly. Wet, net, jet, pet. Wet, net, jet, pet. Wet, net, jet, pet. Wet, net, jet, pet. One more, dear students. Wet, net, jet, pet. That's wonderful, dear students. Thank you for your time. Hello, dear students. Let's continue our review with the short vowel sound for N. Everybody, N, N, N. Okay, last time we reviewed about the short vowel sound for and et. Okay, and et. Okay, for now, okay, we're gonna have the N. Okay, let's start with the vocabulary guessing game. Are you ready? What picture is this? Is this a hen? No. Is this a pen? Yes. Everybody, it's a pen, everybody. It's a pen, everybody. It's a pen. Okay, that's wonderful, dear students. Okay, let's go to second vocabulary. What picture is this? Is this a pen? No. Is this a hen? Yes. Okay, repeat after teacher. It's a hen, everybody. It's a hen, everybody. It's a hen. That's awesome, dear students. Okay, now help teacher to do blending sound. Okay, everybody. Ha, and, hen. Ha, and, hen. Ha, and, hen. That's awesome, dear students. Okay, the next one. P, and, pen. P, and, pen. P and pen. That's wonderful, dear students. Okay, now let's go with another short vowel sound. We have the add, everybody. Add, add, add. Everybody. Add, add, add. Okay, let's go with the first vocabulary. Is this a bed? No. Is this red? Yes, color red. Okay, everybody. It's color red. Everybody. It's color red. It's color red. That's wonderful, dear students. Okay, now let's go with the second picture. Is this red? No. Is this bed? Yes. Okay, repeat after teacher. It's a bed. Everybody. It's a bed. Everybody. It's a bed. Okay, now that's wonderful, dear students. Now let's go with the blending sound. Okay, everybody repeat after teacher. Ra, add, red. Everybody. Ra, add, red. Ra, add, red. That's great, dear students. Now let's go with the second one. B, add, bed. B, add, bed. B, add, bed. That's awesome. Okay, now let's go to chanting. Okay, repeat after teacher. Let's do it slowly. The red pen is on the bed. Everybody, the red pen is on the bed. Again, the red pen is on the bed. One more. The red pen is on the bed. That's awesome, dear students. Thank you for your time.